Hey guys, Nick Jensen here. Welcome back to another video from Epoxy ETC. Today we're going to be talking about the Cove Wall Base. This is the best epoxy cove base system due to the ease at which it can be installed. Now compared to the regular traditional trowel cove mortar, this can be installed in a fraction of the time. Additionally, Cove can be metered to any angle. Paired with the Dove Lock interlocking bond channels, this cove base can accommodate any inside or outside angle, making it the most versatile cove base on the market. Cove base comes in 3 different lengths: 1 inch, 4 inch, and 6 inch, depending on what the specs are for your job. Each cove base comes in 4-foot long pieces, making it easier for transportation and accessibility. So the system comes with our Cove adhesive and our Cove joint sealer. Every 5 pieces, you'll need 1 tube of the adhesive, and every 3 pieces, you'll need 1 of the joint sealer. Cove is gray in color, very similar to concrete, which prevents color shifting in top coats and features a one-of-a-kind CSP profile, so even a thin film application will adhere. It can also be pre-finished before installation. In this short clip, you're actually going to see our instructor, Robert from PCU, creating an alternative option. Instead of the joint sealer and the adhesive, he's actually going to be using the epoxy and Flakes. Now this is also going to save you a little bit of money for bigger size jobs. So what you're seeing right now is Robert mixing the A and the B part of the epoxy in with the Flakes powder. He's mixing that together until it's a mashed potatoes-like substance. Once you've mixed your epoxy and the Flakes and you have your final mixture, make sure you tape off the floors. Once that is all completed, you're actually going to remove the wall cove piece, slab on the Flakes mixture, attach it to the wall, and use your finger to caress the sides just to remove all the excess Thixo. If you have any remaining Thixo on top of the wall cove piece, you can use xylene to remove that. Alright guys, so once you've removed all the excess material from the face of the wall cove piece, you have about a 7 to 8 cure time for that adhesive, and you guys are ready to coat it with any polyaspartic, solid color system, flake, quartz, vinyls, you name it. For more information regarding how to apply those processes, check out our YouTube channel, blog at epoxyetc.com.